they digging, real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they mean. Some praise, some 7 days of the hard body, hard body, hard body.
Adhesive Gorilla Glue tape. Normally I order off eBay, but pretty much the same thing inside the store. So I got this double adhesive clear tape. And as you see, I mark as I'm pulling on the people in order as well. On there. Just to loosen it up a little bit. Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video. I'm trying to do a bunch of videos at once. I'm doing a pinstripe up here. I'm gonna paint this blue. We're gonna do a pinstripe all the way through to the pack, to the top. Sorry, to the hood, to the top, and then my M1. If I have enough left, which I might not, I want to remove these. I really don't like them, and do pinstripe there, and then to the hood as well. But if not, we are going to be doing this as well. The same thing I got on my journey. I haven't uploaded a video yet, but I do have these on there. The blue, a little different. But I'm finna peel these off using a flat head and paint these black. And I'm gonna end up having a 4.6 liter sign back here as well. Other than that, man, let's get into the video. My last coat, doing my 5th coat on here. I did 4 coats on here, so I'm finna do my 5th coat on here right now. Still kind of splatchy in a way, just because of the material, but I might do 6 coats on here. So I put 6 coats on here, and then once again I put I believe 3 or 4 coats on there. But let this dry out all the way till the morning. It's like 11 p.m. I'm gonna put this on when I wake up in the morning. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual. Video today is gonna be a real quick video, real quick, real short. About to just take off the rest of this BS, this light blue fucking side skirt decal. Gonna take that off. Already took some of it off, as you see. Gonna take some of that off, and we are going to put a little strip on there, just a different blue. Pretty much matches the rest of the blue that's on here. A darker blue. That light blue just throws the whole car off. We're gonna put that on real quick. Other than that, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go like, share the video, man, subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. Let's go.
Listening to a Monta production. Listening to a Monta production.
On the beat. Shyrexo on the beat. Shyrexo on the beat. Shyrexo on